In today's video, I'll walk you step by step through how to use Grok on X. Make sure you're comfortable and ready to follow along on your device, and let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type X and look through the results carefully to make sure you're selecting the official website. Once you find it, click the link to open X's official homepage. After you arrive on the site, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Exploring the interface will make navigation easier. As you scroll through the page, look for the Grok icon. You'll usually find it below the Messages section. Once you see it, click on the Grok icon to continue. This will open a new section dedicated to creative tools. Here, you'll see an option called Create Images. Click on it to access the image generation feature. Now comes the fun part, writing your prompt. This is where you describe what you want Grok to create. For example, you might type something like, "Create an image of the 5 greatest basketball players of all time." Be as clear and specific as possible so Grok understands your vision. Once your prompt is ready, simply click the Submit button. Grok will then process your request and use its AI capabilities to generate an image based on your description. And that's it. You've successfully used Grok on X to create an image. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful and easy tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.